Hey, oh, oh, what's up, guys? Silly Noodles here, and I'm back with another Pokemon pack opening. Thanks to my friend Isaac, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 packs. So yeah, I would like to say if you like this stuff, please go to his channel for more Pokemon pack openings. He does a lot more than us, so if you like this kind of content, go to his channel. Yeah. We'll start it. As I said again, links will be in description for Isaac's channel. Kevin, come over here.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
I'll open with this one first.
Open it over here. Well, what else? Which else one you want?
I'll take one of these because it's a duplicate.
I'll take these three.
There.
Get in.
How do you do things first? Was it 1, 2, 3?
I don't remember.
I hope so.
I know.
Alright, so we got that.
A Haunter, Counter Catcher, Hakumono, Weedle.
Oh god.
Oh, Alolan Geodude. Ooh, Aeron. Ghastly. Staryu. Houndour.
Oh.
Wait, is that a full art?
That's a full art.
Oh. Oh.
So it's a full art
Lusamine?
whatever you
I
say.
butchered the name probably. Wait, where's that reverse? Oh. Reverse Houndour. If you can see it. Ah, there we go. And our full art. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, I'll go twice. And then you go.
Alright.
What was it?
I did 1, 2, 3. Seems to
Alright,
work.
let's just put that in there. 3. We'll find out. Gladion. Oh. Chinchino. Miltank. An Energy. Carablast. Ooh. Spoink. Salandit. Mankey. Cubone. Reverse Hollow Feebas. And Kumono. I'll save that one for later. Okay. I think I did it. Screw it. We're just gonna do it original way. Swablu. Swinub. Jigglypuff. Is this where? Nope. Houndour. Pikachu. Oh, Reverse Xerneas. Cacturn. Energy. Staravia. Piloswine. Ooh. And Lusamine.
The original.
Regular. Let's move all these to the back.
Yeah.
On to the next pack.
1, 2, 3. Seemed to work last time, so when I do it again.
Miltank. Psychic Memory. 2 memories. Fighting Memory now. Cacnea. Swinub. Mankey. Aeron. Corphish. Houndour. Registeel. And an Energy.
Darn.
This. Okay. Last pack. Do it the normal way. Oh. Code card. If anybody wants it. You know what?
4, 2.
Let's do the other 4 too. There they are. One. That one. We'll find the other. There's that one.
And this one.
And there's that one. Alright. Jugmono-O. Carablast. Dino. Oh. Bunnelby. Houndour. That's a lot of Houndours. Reverse Hollow Carablast. Chemrupt. Fairy Energy. Hakomo-O. Haunter. And Devoured Field. So the only thing we got was this full art Lusamine. So that's good. So again, if you like this kind of content, look in the description for my friend Isaac. And thanks for watching. Please like,